Sports here with Andre Daley, the winning coach today. Sum up your team performance for me, coach.
Yes, we have a very good performance from the boys. I asked them to finish up the game early, which they did from the first half. We created a lot of chances, but we didn't take them or capitalize on all of them. In the second half, we sit back and relax and let the Mobile team come at us, and we give up a goal in the end.
Nicholas Nelson, the man of the match today, a wonderful performance. Could you tell us, what you guys have done with him?
Well, definitely. With Nicholas Nelson, we try to do more finishing things. Definitely shooting in front of the goal very often, And he came to and score another goal.
Could you tell us about, the youngsters, some of the youngsters in your team, how they are coming and gelling and stuff like that?
Yeah, man, definitely. The youngsters are coming on very nicely. Carrick Stewart from KC, who gave a very good performance today. Jaime Harris from Edwin Hallin, who scored the opener for us, And you have young Macon on the bench as well, who didn't showcase his talent today, but they are training very good, and they will get their chance to perform on a big stage.
Thank you very much, coach, and continue to do the good work, and I hope your team continue to win.
Yeah, man, thanks, man.